What up, guys? You got a bad valve stem, you want to change it at home? Don't have a tire machine like us? We'll show you how to do it. We got these little tools right here. They're like $1 at the auto parts store. Take your valve stem core out to get all the air out of the tire, or you can just cut it.
Should already be out.
As long as there's not too much air in it, or else it'll go. All right, now we got to break the bead. What you're gonna do is take a block of wood, a solid block of wood, put your tire on the ground, and drive up on it to break the bead. We have a tire machine, so I'm just gonna break the bead with the tire machine. That's your block of wood and your car on it. That's how you break it. Fast forward this, Carl. I'm gonna show them what grab yourself a steak knife. You can pry down on this. You can put a block of wood in there to help you out, whatever you got to do. Steak knife from the kitchen. And we'll just give that valve stem a little cut. We can cut it all the way off. Depends on how far you can get in there.
Yeah. Rim there. This time, I'm just gonna rip her on out. Smash.
Smash.
Hey, success.
Now, usually you don't have to clean your hole at all. You just pop your new valve stem in. But if it's real crusty, you can kind of clean up the oxidization a little.
Clean.
We're going to put a little bit of sealer right on this lip of the valve core just because this bore is real nasty. Here's my little tool.
Where did your little tool go?
Where'd it go? I got this one.
It might have fallen down inside. Where did it go now? Where did it go now? Wow, wow.
Sorry, don't worry about it right now. Just film.
Oh, yeah, bud.
Grabbing the valve stem. Hole until seated. Boom, it snapped in. And that's how you replace your valve stem at home. You can buy these valve stems at the parts store for a couple bucks.